Hello YouTube followers. First of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas. So dear followers, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. In this video, I'm here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful creative ideas of how you could make and design handmade crochet knitted slippers, boots, shoes, ankle boots, and how you could look classy by maintaining the temperature of your feet, especially because feet are the body parts where a person feels too much cold as compared to the some other parts of your body. And having crochet knitted boots is a very special and unique idea to dress up in a classy way and remain warm at the same time. So I hope you would like these design ideas, design patterns, knitting techniques, and styling ideas, color combinations, beautiful designing patterns of crochet knitted shoes. So dear followers, if you like the video, then kindly do like the video, and if you haven't subscribed our channel or you are a new one on our channel and a non-subscriber, then kindly do subscribe our channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon button so that you could remain notified with the latest uploads and updates of our channel. Kindly do visit our channel and see all the entire playlist of our channel, because on our channel we offer a lot of fashionable trendy design ideas that are related to women fashion. We offer stylish and latest trendy designs of women dresses, Arabic dresses, Turkish dresses, Western dresses, European style, different patterns of dresses. And not only dresses, we offer different designs of footwear, ladies bags, girls fashionable accessories, mehndi designs, henna designs, tattoo style henna designs, information related to original gemstones and its benefits and horoscopic values. And we offer jewelry designs, nail art, different types of reviews of cosmetics and makeup products, and give simple beauty tips and much more. So stay tuned with us and watch our channel on daily basis, and kindly allow me to leave. I will soon be with you again along with very simple, stylish and trendy fashionable ideas. Up till then, take care, goodbye, and you don't go anywhere. Do watch the video till end so that you could get all the stylish and amazing ideas related to hand knitted or crochet made boots, ankle boots, sneakers, joggers, shoes, and different styles. Take care.